Hello and greetings to Sir Ahmad Taufik. My name is Fon Chen Leong and my group member is Muhammad Dekwan, Alvenza Presley and Abdul Muhammad. Today we are from group 6 are gonna presenting about oven toaster, which is I'm gonna presenting about the introductions. Computer aided design or CAD is a tools that engineers use to transform their sketches idea into actual three-dimension models. Inventor is a powerful package that allows engineers to design parts, create assemblies, animate assemblies, and create real-life rendering of their models.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Abdul Muhammad bin Muhammad Murpi. Matrix number 07DKM19F2037, and I will be describing the parts of the oven. So first of all is the back panel, top and bottom panel, front panel, which will form the shape of the oven. This is the front panel. The front panel is where the door will be at. We will put the door here, and there's some holes and squares extruded into it. So this will be the buttons here and the screen over here. So this one is the glass door. This will be our door. It have one hole for the screw for the handle. Here's the handle. This is what the handles looks like. The part here will go into the hole, which will connect the two parts together. So this is the button that I mentioned earlier. This is the round button and the square button, which will look like this. There's your round button and your square button, and also the screen there. So this is the drawing for the screen, and a screw through the screen so the screen won't fall down. The screw will hold the screen and connect it to the front panel. You got two types of screws, the big and the small screws. So the big screws are mostly used as you can see here, to connect the side, the top and the back panel, and the small screw will be used here at the screen here to connect the screen to the front panel to hold it there. And then next on the list we have the stand, the foot. So this is used to add the height of the oven, so the bottom panel won't be scratched, or if there's leaking or flooding in the kitchen, the water will not easily get into the oven. So the next thing is we have the tray with the holes. So this one we used to cook something, and the unwanted liquid or other residue will go through the holes, and then the liquid will be kept here inside the second tray. The second tray, we extrude a big square in a certain depth so the liquid cannot go out, cannot flood. And then our last part is the tray holder. So the tray holder will be used inside here, as you can see there and there. So this part is used. It is attached to the side panel and front and back panel to hold the tray, so the tray won't fall down and will be in place. Okay, that's all. Thank you.
Next is assembly drawing and exploded view. So, this is our assembly drawing. To do this assembly, we make a new sketch and create standard IDW drawing file and place the oven to the sketch. After that, we set up the scale and create two sections, which is section A and B. We create the section to get a dimension of our oven so that people can understand our drawing dimension. For the exploded view, same as assemble, we also use standard IDW drawing file. In this exploded view, we use balloon and choose all the part. After that, we create the part list and it will show the item quantities and part number as shown as a slide. So, this is our exploded view.
Okay, hello. Today I want to present my part is detail part of drawing for 2D drawing. Okay, I will like to start from the back panel. Back panel has 20 diameter of length and 30 diameter for the height, and has two hole at the side, has 1.0 diameter of all. And the next part is side panel. The side panel has height is 30 millimeter, and the length of this part is 10 millimeter. And this part has 4 hole, and all that hole are 1.0 diameter. Next part is front panel. Front panel has 4 hole, and all that hole are 1 diameter, and the height of this front panel is 30 millimeter, and the length is 20 millimeter. Next part is top and bottom panel. Top and bottom panel has a length is 20 diameter and 10 millimeter for height. This part has a 4 hole, and all that hole has 1 diameter, and the thickness of this part is 1 millimeter. Next part is glass door. Glass door has a length with 18 millimeter, and the height is 20 millimeter. The next part is round button. Round button shaped like a cylinder, with diameter 1.0, and the height is 2 millimeter. Okay, next is square button. Square button has a height about 1 millimeter, and the length of square button is 2 millimeter. Next is a screen, and the screen has a length about 3 millimeter, and the height is about 1.50 millimeter. And the next part is a small screw. At the upper small screw has 0.70 diameter, and the lower diameter is about 0.50 diameter, and the height of this small screw is 1.5 millimeter. And the next is a big screw. Then big screw has a diameter at the upper part is 1.5, and the lower part is 1 of diameter, and the height of this small screw about 2 millimeter. Okay, next part is stand. The stand part diameter at the upper part is about 3 diameter, and the lower part as a thread is about 1 diameter. And the next part is post tray. Post tray has a length of this part is about 20 millimeter and the height is 4 millimeter. Okay, the next part is second tray. The second tray has 20 diameter of length and 4 millimeter of height for the outside part, and the inner side is 19 millimeter of length and 3 millimeter for height. Next is tray holder. Tray holder have a length is 0.60 millimeter and the height is 6 millimeter, and at the middle of this part has one hole with 0.50 diameter. And the final part is a handle. Handle has a length about 14 millimeter and the height is about 3 millimeter. Okay.
Conclusion. In the conclusion, there are many things that we learn about the process in building our oven toaster. Even though our oven toaster looks very simple, but we have learned many ways to discover us, especially in making sketches in 2D and 3D objects, like extruding and assembling objects to build our oven toaster. Some says a picture is worth 1,000 words. A 3D animated model is worth 1,000,000. We hope our knowledge of inventors can help us find a job in the future, and also we can learn more in the future to create other objects or projects that uses inventors. That's all from us, and thank you.